Tell you is start tapping the on YouTube on the right side of the screen for I could tell you to I tell you so. Things shown first and hit 3 times. Get 21 seconds. To I tell you. You could fast forward forward 5 seconds up the video because you have strobes for if you have epilepsy or seizures or sensitivity. Do not watch this video. This video skip for 5 seconds or less or more. Hit go to 20 seconds. Skip 20 seconds. I could skip over the video for 20 seconds. You could start now. I like these keep running. Sorry about that. Let me shut them off. An electronic corn strobe. This looks like the inside the horn. I just shut the strobe because I'm afraid I'd break it. This typical model is Smart Sync. I could show you some pictures inside the strobe if I could find it. And this, and you could unplug these wires, but I won't. You could unplug them. Here's the horn looks like, and that's the horn. They're just a good looking piece of work there. You can tell. Scared to break it. Scared to break it. Try to say in British. I can't speak British. A long time ago I could speak British. For the heck of it. Now I sort of can't. I'm from North Carolina. I think I want to go to Texas. Dallas. Texas. Oh, I'm on the wrong side. Can't lose that. Everyone takes these apart. You make sure to tuck the wires in good. Do not cramp them. And, well, some people say crush. Most of the time I say crush the wires. This time I just decided to say the cramp them. While they're crushing each other. Don't break it. Screws are popped out or popped in. My resymbol 4903. Actually, this room is backwards because this room is backwards and I am, because my camera is facing backwards right now, doing the front camera. Normally I do the back camera. This is so not a normal video. Now I'm going to show you picture 1. Picture 2. Picture 3. There. Like and subscribe. And you could have a great day or night. See ya. I think those two last scrubs I showed are free run or smart sync with a red switch. They do make this typical model also. No, this one is a speaker scrub. And they make this one only a horn scrub. Make remote scrubs. '4906 series. They need this thing module to operate their horn and strobe. And most trailers are smart sync. It's rare to get a free run version. And they are out there on eBay if you want to get one. From the 4903 or 4904 series, they could run from a sync module if your device is sync operation or free run. Some some trailers are both the 4906 and the 4903 or 4904 could be both also. More rare, get a sync version, a sync operation version from the sync operation is smart sync also. It's more common to get a 4903 series is free run. I got one of the rare ones in there. And yes, I just showed you a rare one. And they also make a 4903, 4906, 4904 in white. Again, like and subscribe, and yes, have a great day or night. Bye.